Good evening from the top of the world. I hope you all are doing absolutely well, and if you're thinking about me, I'm doing good as well. In this video, I'll teach you guys how to leave a league on Fantasy Premier League if you are bored in that league or if you haven't won anything in that league and you don't want to be ashamed or embarrassed in front of your friends. So, this is how you leave a league on Fantasy Premier League. So at first you must go into your browser because it is not possible on your PL account or your PL app. So I'm using Google Chrome as of now, but you can use any browser that you are comfortable with. So after you're inside your browser, you must type in Fantasy Premier League, and the top link that pops up is the official link of Fantasy Premier League. So after you are here, there are many navigation bar and you must click on more and you'll see leagues and cups on the second, and to leave a league you must click on there, and now you must select the league that you want to leave. So if you want to leave the Gupta's one, you click on there. This is my league, so I can leave from here. So I click on the one that I've joined. This is a private league, so if you click on leave league, you will be exited or you will leave the league forever and you cannot join it. So to join it, you must need to contact with the owner or the person who created the link, and you must have the code all over again. So this is how you leave a league on Fantasy Premier League. And if you guys learned something today or found this video helpful, please do leave a thumbs up below and comment down what you'd like to see next. Until then, have a good time.